Hello, everyone. It's Melinda Pollan, Brown County 4-H. Excited to do two things again here today. We are in the middle of our creative cooking challenge, and I'm excited with the entries that are coming in. Some of them look amazing, and I will be making them myself for lunches. So to those of you who submitted your lunch recipes, thank you so much, and for giving us permission to share your recipes. So watch our Facebook pages here as we release those recipes as well. And we had two entries this week. Our entries were a bagel masterpiece. That bagel masterpiece used three of the mystery ingredients, two of the mystery ingredients and one raisins. So it included avocado and Gouda cheese. So the bagel masterpiece is one of our submissions. And our second one was pepperoni pizza rolls using the mystery ingredient of pepperoni. So let's start by seeing who our winner is of this week's challenge. All right, so on our screen, we see a bagel masterpiece and pepperoni pizza rolls. Let's take a spin and see who our winner is. How exciting. Congratulations. You'll receive an email from us with your prize information and how we can get that out to you. And now it is time to unveil and release week 3 of our creative cooking challenge. Week 1 was breakfast. Yes, this last week was lunch, and this upcoming week is dinner. So let's take a peek and see what our mystery ingredients are. All right, this week your challenge is to create a dinner using at least one of these ingredients: quinoa, cauliflower, hamburger or ground beef, Brussels sprouts, or cream cheese. Again, that's quinoa, cauliflower, hamburger or ground beef, Brussels sprouts, and or cream cheese. Use one, use multiple. Again, when you finish creating your meal, you'll want to upload your photo or at least your submission to the recipe link that will be directly below this video here. And that larger challenge is still out there. If you participated in the first 2 weeks and you make this one and you use raisins, you'll be entered into another drawing, a separate drawing for a separate prize. All of this information is directly linked below this video. We cannot wait to see what you're going to come up with as you create your creative cooking dinner. We can't wait to see your submissions.